Hello, and welcome to this intriguing video where we will be discussing a question that has been asked by many people around the world. Are ice creams healthy? Now, we all love ice cream, don't we? There's just something about that sweet, creamy goodness that we can't resist. But at the same time, we've also heard a lot about how ice cream is bad for us. So, what's the truth? Is ice cream healthy, or is it just another indulgence that we need to avoid? Well, get ready to have all your questions answered because today, we're going to be diving deep into the world of ice cream and taking a look at its health benefits, its drawbacks, and everything else in between. So, let's get started. Section 1: Health Benefits of Ice Cream. Yes, you heard it right. Ice cream does have some health benefits, and we're going to talk about them first. Ice cream is made from milk, and milk is an excellent source of calcium, which is crucial for healthy bones and teeth. Ice cream also contains vitamins A and D, which are important for maintaining good eyesight and a healthy immune system. In addition, studies have shown that consuming dairy products like ice cream can help to reduce the risk of certain diseases like osteoporosis, hypertension, and even some types of cancer. So, when consumed in moderation, ice cream can be a part of a healthy diet. Section 2: The Drawbacks of Ice Cream. Now, let's talk about the not-so-healthy aspects of ice cream. First of all, ice cream is high in sugar and fat. A single serving of ice cream can contain up to 20 grams of sugar, which is almost the entire daily recommended limit for women. Plus, the fat content in ice cream can be quite high, with some brands containing up to 20 grams of fat per serving. Additionally, some people are lactose intolerant, which means they cannot digest lactose, the sugar found in milk. This can cause uncomfortable symptoms like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Section 3: Moderation is key. So, what's the verdict? Is ice cream healthy, or is it just another indulgence that we should avoid? Well, the answer lies somewhere in between. As we've seen, ice cream does have some health benefits, but it's also high in sugar and fat. The key is to consume ice cream in moderation. If you're going to indulge in some ice cream, it's best to choose a brand that's lower in sugar and fat. You can also try making your own ice cream using natural ingredients like fresh fruit and honey. Conclusion. So, there you have it, folks. The answer to the question, is ice cream healthy? Is not a simple yes or no. While ice cream does have some health benefits, it's also high in sugar and fat. The key is to enjoy it in moderation and choose healthier options when possible. So, the next time you're craving some ice cream, go ahead and indulge, but remember to keep it in moderation. After all, life is all about balance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating videos like this one.